Hello students, today we are going to begin the fifth chapter of English literature, that is the magic pot. So this story is adapted from the Ocean of the Streams and is a famous 11th century collection of Indian legends, fairy tales by Soma Deva. So, in this chapter, there is a man who lived in Patliputra and is a poor woodcutter named Subhadatta. One day, when Subhadatta was cutting wood in forest, he saw four yakshas dressed beautifully. Seeing yakshas, Subhadatta thought that if they get angry with me, they will curse me. So in fear, Subhadatta started shivering. However, these yakshas were kind people. Then yakshas asked Subhadatta, "Who are you?" "I am Subhadatta, a woodcutter," Subhadatta replied. Yakshas looked at Subhadatta's torn clothes and thin body and thought of helping him. Then Yakshas said to Subhadatta, "Work for us for 1 month. We will reward you well and you will never be hungry again." After thinking for some time, Subhadatta asked, "But what about my family?" Yaksha replied, "Tonight we will send you to your wife's dream. You will tell her that you are safe and that you will return after a month. And when in morning she will wake up, she will find money and clothes by her side." "Oh, then I will gladly work for you," replied Subhadatta. Subhadatta went with yakshas. Then they bathed in the river, and Subhadatta helped yakshas in many works like in dressing or producing silk, even laying out gold plates. But there was no food. So Subhadatta asked yakshas for food. One of them smiled and said, "We know that. Take this pot, put your hand inside it, and make a wish. Whatever you want will come out of it." So Subhadatta thought of delicious pulao and put his hand in pot, and magically the rice was in his hand. Then he thought of meat and other tasty food. The dishes appeared before him. Then he put the food on gold plates and set them before yakshas and said, "What a wonderful pot it is." Then Subhadatta worked with yakshas for a month. Then one day yakshas said to Subhadatta, "You have served us very well. We will give you anything you ask for." "I will take the magic pot," Subhadatta said to yakshas. In reply, yakshas said, "If you break the pot, it will return to us. Ask for something else." "But I want the pot and nothing else," said Subhadatta. The yakshas said, "Okay, then you can take the pot." Subhadatta took the pot and went home. His children and wife were very happy to see him back. Subhadatta showed the magic pot to his family and drew out beautiful clothes and shining jewelries from it. Seeing magic, Subhadatta family was very surprised. Then Subhadatta said, "Let me have a feast for all the neighbors, but don't let them know that from where the food came from." So they invited 100 of guests and served them the most delicious foods. So, by seeing such a delicious food, one of the guests asked Subhadatta that, "You are just a poor woodcutter. From where did you get the money to buy such good food?" Subhadatta grinned to himself but said nothing. Even he was afraid that someone would steal his pot. Even his neighbors were curious to know the truth. And as a result, Subhadatta could not stop himself from showing off. So he brought the pot out and said, "See, the Yakshas gave me this magic pot because I have worked so hard for them." So, in excitement, Subhadatta started dancing with the pot in his hand. And then, horror of horrors, the pot slipped from his hand and broke. So, he quickly started picking up the pieces to put them together again. For a moment, only everyone saw the whole pot and then it vanished. Subhadatta started crying and said, "If only I had not been foolish to boast about the pot, it would still be there. What a fool am I!" But nothing could bring the pot back. Now Subhadatta went looking for Yakshas many times, but he never saw them again. So, what we learn from the story is that we should never be foolish to be boastful. Now, what does boastful means? So, boastful means to show off. That means we should never be so foolish for showing off anything. So, I hope the concept of this chapter is clear.